Today we're going to demonstrate how to use a multimeter as a battery tester. The main function of a multimeter is a battery tester, but can also be used to check points on circuit board, making this an ideal tool for people interested in electronics. You can purchase this at your local Radio Shack or other electronics store of your choice for a little under $20. So first we turn the dial to the AAA battery setting because that's the type of battery being tested. And you will get a reading with a decimal after the first digit. What you want to do now is take a battery, any brand will work, and we take our red probe, which is positive, and our black probe, which is negative, and apply the correct probes on the battery contacts to get a voltage reading. And we get a reading of 1.3 for the first battery. And a reading of 1.1 for the second battery. Alkaline batteries such as these require voltage of 1.5 to be considered alkaline, and rechargeable batteries are typically 1.2 volts. Also, other uses for checking electronic components is a continuity test. This test ensures that there are no shorts in the wiring, and if one is found while probing the points on the circuit board, you will receive a beep and a message that displays short. And that demonstrates that there is a short in the circuit board wiring.